Hello class, how are we doing today? Alright, it's your favorite tutor, Sir XP, and today we're looking at a very interesting topic which is number base. Number base. Are you with me? And when we say number base is a system of counting numbers in bundles. Exactly. Number base is a system of counting numbers in bundles. Exactly. The system of what counting numbers in what in bundles. So now a particular number base have a set of digits that can be found in that what in that number base. For example, we have base 2. Base 2 is also known as what binary. Called what binary number. Exactly. And in base 2, numbers or digits that can be found in base 2 are what 0 and 1. Exactly. 0 and what and 1. We also have base 3. Numbers can find in base 3 are what 0, 1, 2. Exactly. We also have base 4. Number can find in base 4 are what 0, 1, 2, 3. Exactly. Good. Now we also have what we call base 8. Base 8, also known as what octal number. What I call it? Octal what number. Digit you can find in base 8 ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exactly. So the word digit you can find in what? In base 8. Are you with me? Good. Now we also have base 10. Base 10 are known as what? Decimal number. What I call it? Decimal what? Number. So in base 10, digits you can find in base 10 ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the set of digits you can find in what? In base 10. So what do you observe? You find out that in a particular base, the digit you can find in that particular base is not up to the base number and can never be what more than the base number. Exactly. Now, for example, now if you have, and this is how you write it in a number base, you have, for example, right there. For example, we have 1011 base 2. The base is always what? Always small. Exactly. So now, this now is what is very correct. I get it now because the set of digits you can find in what in base 2 are just what 0 and 1. But in a case whereby you have 1, 3, 2, base 2, you are wrong. This is wrong. Do you know why? Because in base 2, you can have 2, you can have 3. Is that clear? Good. So for example now, if you have 405 base 7, this is what very much what correct. Is that clear? But if what when in the case whereby you have 712 base 7, this is what wrong. Do you know why? In base 7 you can have what 7. The least digit you can have in base 7 is what is 6. I mean the highest digit you can have in base 7 is what is 6, while the least is what 0. Is that clear? Good. So now in this video our major focus is what conversion of what of number base. Conversion of number base. Exactly. Now conversion of what of number base. So now the first one we're looking at is conversion from order base to base 10. Is that clear? That's the first case. conversion from order base to base 10. Also, we have conversion from base 10 to order base. Are you there? Conversion from base 10 towards order base. And the third case is conversion from one base to another. Is that clear? Conversion from one base towards another. So now let's take the first case, which is conversion from order base to base 10. Are you with me? Conversion from order base to base 10. Let's take an example. Let's take, for example, we have to convert 1011 base 2 to base 10. Are you with me now? So how do we go about this now? Solution. From the question, we have 1101 base 2, right? So to convert, the first thing is to you assign power starting from 0 from the word from the right hand side. You have 0, 1, 2, 3. You assign what? Power starting from what? 0 from the word right hand side. 0, 1, 2, 3. The next thing is each of the digits multiplied with the base plus the next digit multiply what? With the base. So now which implies we have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Are you there? Good. So the next thing is you assign the power to the what? To the base. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, which implies you have 1 times 2 raised power 3 simply means multiply 2 by itself 3 times. 2 times 2, that is what? 4, right? 4 times 2, 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised power 2 simply means multiply 2 by itself, what? 2 times. 2 times 2, that is what? 4. Plus, so when you have 0 multiplying any digits, 0 multiplying any digit will give you what? 0. Are you with me? Good. Plus 1 times, when you have any number raised to power 0, it produces what? 1. Any number raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. So you have what? 1. 2 raised to power 0 is giving us 1. So which implies we have 1 times 8, 8, plus 1 times 4, 4, plus your 0, plus 1 times 1, 1. Are you with me? So 8 plus 4, that is what? 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So you have 1, 3, base 10. Correct. Alright, so now looking at another example, example 2. Convert, we have 3, 2, 2 base 4 to base 10. Are you with me? Convert 322 base 4 to base 10. So now, solution. So from the question, what do we have? We have 322 base 4. So what do we do here now? We assign what? Power, right? Starting from the word right hand side. 0, 1, 2. Are you with me? Good. So now we now have next thing to what? Multiply each digit by the what? By the base. So you have 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Assign the powers to the what? To the base 0, 1, 2, which implies, so we have 3 multiply 4 is power 2 means multiply 4 by itself 2 times. Many students do 4 times 2. No, that is wrong. So you say what? 4 raised power 2 means 4 times 4, meaning 4 multiplied by itself 2 times. So now you have what? 16 plus 2 times anything raised power 1 will give that same value. If you don't know now. Anything raised power 1 will give the same value. So 4 raised power 1 will give us what? 4 plus 2 times 4 raised power what? 4 raised power 0 will give us what? To give us 1. Why? Anything raised power 0 is 1. So we have 3 times 16. 3 times 16. That is what? That is 48. Plus 2 times 4. That is 8. Plus 2 times 1. That is what? 2. Is that clear? Good now. So add everything together now. This will give you what? This will give us 10 plus this. That is what? 58. That is 58 base 10. Correct. All right now. So let's look at another example. Example 3. The third example. This is example 2. Are you with me? So now convert. That's when we're asked to convert 111.01 base 2 to base 10. Alright, so now your number base can be in decimal point. I get it now. You have to convert it to base 10. So how to go about this? Follow me. Solution, right? So now from the question, we have 111.01 base 2, right? So now this is a different case now. Exactly. This is a different case. So how do you assign your power to this case now? From your decimal point, moving towards your left-hand side, you assign it starting from 0, 1, 2. Are you with me? While from the decimal point, moving to the right-hand side, you assign -1, -2. Are you with me? Good. Going on like that, depending on the number of digits you have. So the next thing is what you start multiplying each digit by the what? By the base. So you have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Are you there? So assign the power now. This is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, right? Good. So which implies you have 1 times 2 raised power 2 means to multiply 2 by itself. How many times? 2 times. That's 2 times 2. That is what? 4 plus 1 times n raised power 1 will give you what? The same value, which is 2. So 1 plus 1 times n raised power 0 will give us what? 1. Are you with me? Good. So now I told you when 0 multiply any digit, that will give us what? 0 plus 1 times. So now this minus you are seeing here now automatically becomes what? 1 over you have your 2 raised power what? 2. The minus has been converted as what? 1 over. Are you with me? Good. So which implies we have 1 times 4, that is 4, plus 1 times 2, 2, plus 1 times 1, that is what? 1, right? Plus 0, plus 1 times 1, that is 1 over 2 raised power 2 will give us what? 4. Are you with me? Good. So now we have 4 plus 2, that is what? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. So you have 7 plus 1 over 4. This is over 1, right? Are you with me? Good. So now you solve this now. Over. What's the LCM? 1 and 4. That is what? 4, right? Are you with me? That is what? 4. So 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. Pure plus sign. 4 divided by 1 is 4, right? That 4 times 7, that is what? 28. So you have 28 plus 1, that is what? 29 over 4. Exactly now. 29 over what? 4. So now when we do 29 over 4 on our calculator, we get the value 29 over 4. That is 7.25. So equals to 7.25 base 10. Correct. So it's 7.25 base 10. Alright, so now let's look at the second case, which is conversion Conversion from base 10 to other base. All right, so now in the first case we looked at is conversion from order base to base 10, right? So now what we are doing then was what we call successive multiplication. Class, what I call it? Successive multiplication. That's what we have been doing. I get it now on the first case. But on this case now, which is conversion from base 10 to order base, what we are doing in this case is what we call successive division. Exactly. Call it what? Successive what? Division. Let's take an example. Example in this case, convert 6 base 10 to base 2. Convert 6 base 10 to base 2. So solution. To convert this now, you draw a table like this, having three column. The 2 6 you want to convert is the middleman to be in the middle. 2 6. On the right hand side, you write your R for remainder. Right R, right. I get now for remainder. While on the left hand side, you have your what? You are converting to base 2, right? So you keep on dividing this number by what? By 2. Are you with me now? Keep on dividing that number what? By 2. So when we say 26 divided by 2, that gives us what? 13, remainder 0, right? Good. Divide by 2 again. 13 divided by 2, that gives us what? 6, right? Remainder 1. Are you with me? Good. This 6 now divided by 2 again. So you have 3, remainder 0. Are you there? This 3 divided by 2 again. You have what? 1, remainder 1. Are you following me? Right? So you have 1 now, right? So this 1 divided by 2 again. Is it possible? No, it's not possible, right? So now that no is not possible, you write 0 here. So what you have here, you drop it here, 1. So your answer is from bottom to top, from down to top, write your answer. So therefore, 2 6 in base 10 is equivalent to what? 11010 base 2. Correct. Are you with me now? So 2 6 in base 10 is equivalent to what? 11010 base 2. Is that clear? Good. So now let's take another example. Convert let's take a case. Let's convert 2 5 2 in base 10 to base 3. I get now. Let's convert 2 5 2 in base 10 to base 3. So now solution, right? So what we do is what? To draw our table. Are you with me? Draw a table. So you have 2 5 2 be in the middle. Yes for what? Remainder. Why yes for what? 3. To keep on dividing by what? 3. It's called what? Successive division. Keep on dividing by 3. So when we have 2 5 2 divide by 3, that is what? 84 remainder 0. Exactly. So 84 divided by 3, that is what? 28. Are you with me? Remainder 0. So divide 28 by 3 again. So 28 divided by 3, that should give us 9, remainder 1. Are you there? So now 9 divided by 3, that will give us what? 3, remainder 0. So you have 3. 3 divided by 3, that will give us what? That give us 1, remainder 0. 3 now. 1 divided by 3, is it possible? No, it's not possible, right? 0. This one, bring it here, 1. So now, so therefore, are you there? So therefore, 2 5 2 in base 10 is equivalent to what? Answer from bottom to what? Top. Don't forget that. Equivalent to what? 100100 base 3. Correct. Is that clear? All right. So now let's look at the third case, which is conversion from one base to another. Is that clear? We want to talk about the first case when we convert from base 10 to other base. What do we make use of? You can tell me. We make use of what? Successive multiplication, right? Good. And when we converted from base 10 to other base, what do we make use of? We make use of what? Successive division, right? Good. So for this case, conversion from one base to another, we're going to make use of both method, that is successive multiplication and also successive division. Is that clear? So let's take an example. We have convert 124 base 5 to base 2. Right there. Convert 124 base 5 to base 2. So now follow me now. Let's go. Solution. So now from the question, we have 124 base 5. So for you to convert this to base 2, you can't convert it to base 2 direct. Exactly now. So what you do first is you convert this to base 10. I get to me. So your answer you get in base 10, convert it to what? To base 2. And when converting any other base to base 10, we make use of what? Successive multiplication. By doing what? Assigning power 0, 1, 2, right? So which implies you have 1 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 4 times 5. Are you there? So assign the powers to the base was 0, 1, 2, which implies we have 1 times 5 raised power 2 is what? You can tell me 25. God bless you. How? You say what? 5 times 5, right? 5 multiplied by itself 2 times. So that is 25. Plus 2 times. All right, someone else. 5 raised power 1 is what? 5. Good. Because anything raised power 1, we give it that same value. All right. So plus 4 times 5 raised power 0 is what? 1. Why? Because anything raised power 0 is 1. All right. So now we have 1 times 25, we have 25. Plus 2 times 5, we have 10. Plus 4 times 1, we have what? We have 4, right? Good. So now, let's add 25 plus 10, that is what? 35, right? 35 plus 4, that is 39 base 10. Is that clear? But what is the question asking us to do? We should convert it to what? To base 2, right? So in this case, we make use of what? Successive what? Division. Good. So where you draw your table, right? Here's the right hand side. You're dividing by what? 2. Why? 1 to what? To base 2, right? Good. So 39 divided by 2 is what? 39 divided by 2. That should be what? 19, right? That should be what? 19. Right? Good. Remember what? Remember 1. So now, 19 divided by 2. 19 divided by 2. That is what? 9. Remember what? Remember 1. Are you with me? Good. So 9 divided by 2. That is what? 4 remainder 1. Are you there? So the 4 divided by 2, that is what? 2 remainder 0. Are you with me? Good. 2 divided by 2, that will give us 1 remainder what? 0. And 1 divided by 2, is it possible? No. So that impossible is 0. The one that is there, bring it down here. 1 remainder 1. So don't forget your answer is from what? Bottom to what? Top. So therefore, are you with me? 124 base 5 is equivalent to 100111 base 2. Correct. All right, so let's look at another example. Convert 7 2 base 8 to base 4. Convert 7 2 base 8 to base 4. So solution, right? So now, first of all, we convert this in base 8 to base 10, right? That's the first thing to do. So from the question, we have 7 2 base 8, right? So how to convert to base 10? You assign power from the back, 0 1. So 7 times 8 plus 2 times 8. Is that clear? So don't forget to put the power, 0 1. So which implies 7 times 8 to the power 1 is 8, plus 2 times 8 to the power 0 is what? Is 1. Good. So 7 times 8, that is what? 56, plus 2 times 1, that is 2. 56 plus 2, that will give us what? 58, right? So 58 base 10. Are you with me? So now from this base 10, you can then convert to what? To base 4. So 58 be in the middle. Here you have your remainder. Here you have your 4. You keep on dividing by what? 4. That's why it's called what? Successive division. Right? Good. So now, so when we say 58 divided by 4, that give us what? That give us 14, right? Remainder what? 2. Am I correct? Good. So 14 divided by what? 4. How do you give us 3? Remainder what? Remainder 2. And 3 divided by 4, is it possible? No. 0. What is here? 3. Bring it down here. 3 as a remainder. Don't forget your answer is on what? Bottom to what? Top. So therefore, 7 2 base 8 is equivalent to 3 2 2 base 4.